Here's an update from Kopplin, Kuebler, and Wallace.
Encinal Yacht Club in Alameda, California is now in search of a general manager possessing effective hands-on leadership, strong business acumen, and impeccable credentials. The club, founded in 1890, is the third oldest yacht club on the bay and is known for its moonlit parties, regattas, and cruising events. With a small boat focus, the club prides itself on family-oriented events, boating, and its picturesque location, offering extensive docking facilities. Members also enjoy a clubhouse and swimming pool that are ideal for formal events and relaxation. The club hosts various yachting programs and races catering to diverse sailing interests. Additionally, the Paddle Club invites members to explore the estuary via kayaks, paddleboards, or rowing, fostering a community of water enthusiasts. Salary is open and commensurate with qualifications and experience. The club offers an excellent bonus and benefits package, including professional dues and education expenses for CMAA members. For a complete position profile and list of qualifications, consult the Kopplin, Kuebler, and Wallace website under current openings. To apply, you must submit your current resume and cover letter.
For more information, visit kknw.com.